Getresponse is an all-in-one email marketing software with the power of AI. Yes, you heard this right. Getresponse has the powerful feature of AI that will make your email marketing journey easier. Right now they are offering a mega Black Friday offer up to 40% discount on all of their plan. As they are celebrating their 25-year birthday, they are offering a $250 course of email marketing and list building training for free. The discount offer will be applied only to 2,500 accounts. So don't waste any time, grab this special discount before it's ended. Getresponse is an easier email marketing and automation software that converts contacts into customers. Using this, you can grow your list, automatically engage with your customers, promote and sell, and finally maximize your revenue. Getresponse has a great client satisfaction record in the last 25 years, and now it can be a go-to tool for you as well. Getresponse offers 100+ integrations like WordPress, Shopify, Zapier, Stripe, and more to sync your data and enhance your customer experience. Now you will check the pricing for Getresponse. If you go with the monthly plan, then you will get 15% off on their all plan. If you go with the 12-month plan, then you will get 30% off on their all plan. If you go with the 24-month plan, then you will get 40% off on their all plan. So this will be great save for you. For startups and bloggers, the basic email marketing plan will be good enough to start. Later, if needed, you can move to marketing automation and e-commerce marketing plan. Price will be charged based on your contacts. Getresponse also offers 30 days free trial, so that you can get used to this tool before buying it and grow your business with Getresponse. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to get more email marketing tips and tricks.